So alright, up until now, all we had on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 were concept renders and leaks, nothing solid. But that just changed. A brand new image has reportedly surfaced online, giving us our first real look at what appears to be the back of the actual device. This leak comes from Setsuna Digital over on Weibo, and it was shared by Notebook Check. The photo shows the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in a sleek silver finish, and design-wise, it looks pretty familiar, very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. You've still got the triple lens camera setup arranged vertically inside an oblong housing, so no major changes there, at least at first glance. But here's where it gets interesting. The phone looks wider than last year's Fold 6, and that might not be just an illusion. This lines up with previous leaks that claimed the Fold 7 would measure 158.4 by 143.1 by 3.9 mm when unfolded. If true, that puts its proportions much closer to the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This could mean a more tablet-like experience when it's fully opened, which would be a welcome improvement for multitasking and media consumption. Aside from the dimensions and design, there's not a whole lot we can confirm from this image alone. But it does suggest that Samsung is gearing up for an official launch very soon. In fact, all signs are pointing toward a July reveal, which matches Samsung's usual summer timeline for foldables. Now that's not all. The same leaker also posted what appears to be a shot of the Galaxy Z Flip 7's cover screen display panel. And this is where things take a pretty big turn. Unlike the Flip 6, which placed its cameras in a black bar above the display, this new design goes full screen on the front, except for two cutouts for the cameras and a flash. If this leak holds up, it would mark a major shift for the Flip series. An edge-to-edge external display would mean more room for widgets, notifications, or even typing out quick replies without opening the phone. And this design has been rumored before. This just adds more fuel to the fire. Of course, as with any leak, take it with a grain of salt. But if these images are the real deal, Samsung's foldable game is about to level up big time. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.